So, welcome back. Hope everyone is doing well. Something very exciting has finally arrived. I've picked it up on my way. And without further ado, here it is. Let me get some shit out of the way here. Bam. Now the first thing I noticed here is no picture of Mr. Yuchi Kanai anywhere. Not on the side here. Not over here. Nowhere. No picture. Because if you look here, see, even my 10 TKI2 kit, Mr. Yuchi, right here. He's been on every box, every kyosho, even my 10 mp11 truggy kit. But because I believe he didn't have a hand in designing this badass machine here, that's why his picture's not on the box. So let's go ahead and open her up. I haven't even cracked the seal. Nothing. Still got the kyosho seal here. The tape. Crack her open. I'm not gonna start the build right away because I'm gonna put, this is actual real carbon fiber. It's not a vinyl wrap, it's actual real carbon fiber, one side sticky. I did that on my mp11 and it looks great. We're gonna do the same thing on this. Ooh. There. You have our manual. Our bags of parts. Now I know on this some differences are between the previous generations. One is the rear wing stay. The rear wing is adjustable forward and back. And the front and rear diff have 3 positions: center, up, and down. You can raise or lower the ring gear in relation to the pinion. I thought that was pretty cool. Let's get all this out. Get down. We have all our bags of parts, suspension, drivetrain. Got our body. Now, one thing is, I kind of don't like about kyosho is no rims or tires sometimes. Like my mp11 TKI2 kit came with rims but no tires. My mp11 came with same thing, rims but no tires. And this one doesn't come with rims or tires, but it doesn't matter. I have my other set I can run. I'm not even worried about that. Give you the wheel tool and a new sexy chassis. Wow, very nice. A little bit thinner than the previous gen, very light compared to my mp11 and 9. Not bad. Like I said, I'm not going to start the build right away. I'm going to put the carbon on the bottom here, get it all cut out nice, get all the holes ready. And then we'll start the build after that. Plus I have a week off coming up. I kind of want to do the build during then. So till then, stay tuned.